And welcome back to Crypto Housewife channel. It is hot here in Canada. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking that it's 90 degrees out there. So I'm like melting in this office. But I'm looking at Shiba Inu. I saw this article by the Globe and Mail came out, and it's saying a bull market is coming, one crypto to buy and one to avoid. So let's look at the one to avoid. I like Shiba Inu. I'll tell you right now, it's Shiba Inu. That's what they're squawking about. And well, we'll see what this person's reasoning is behind why they don't like it so much. So here we go. Shiba Inu, a meme token with little value. Okay. All right, a little bit of an update. It says the Shiba Inu developer community is working hard to increase the meme token's value with new use cases and burn projects. Well, we know about that. Burn projects, it works. It works. In this case, I think so. A collection of 10,000 Shiba Inu NFTs known as Shiboshis went live last October and sold out in 35 minutes. That's good. The Shiba Inu Metaverse launched in June of 2022, so just a couple months ago, allowing investors to purchase plots of digital land that can be renamed in exchange for burning tokens. All right, so recently Shiba Eternity, so that'll be a Shiba Inu themed game. They did some alpha tests with that, and it will incorporate Shiboshi NFTs, if I could talk. And also, well, I'm going to chime in here and say they did, I guess, a test group in Asia, and it worked really well. Like, they really like the game, so look out. Look out. And in the coming months, the launch of, I think this is going to be huge, a layer 2 solution, Shibarium, will move Shiba Inu transactions off of Ethereum blockchain to accelerate throughput and reduce gas fees. All right. That alone to me could be huge. I get irritated with gas fees, but that's how it is. So, okay, that upgrade in particular could be significant catalyst because it reduces friction for investors. True. Okay, all the stuff that the author is saying is just facts, good facts about Shiba Inu. And then let's see here. So, but the fact remains that Shiba Inu is just an Ethereum-based meme token with very little utility. See, I don't buy that for a minute. Best Buy today came out and said you can use Shiba Inu to buy stuff at Best Buy via gift cards. I think people are going to be able to spend Shiba Inu. I think it's going to be a good cryptocurrency. And I know, okay, no, I don't know this as a fact, but I'm thinking Wall Street might get in onto Shiba Inu more and more as time goes by. And I suspect that there's a lot of FUD being created to get the price of Shiba Inu down so they can scoop it. Okay? That's what I think. So I'm seeing a lot of these articles spreading a little bit of FUD about this. This is done with class. It's the Globe and Mail. It's not your typical FUD that we read in the comments section on YouTube. You know, the FUDders. They have some very good points. A lot more for Shiba Inu than against it, and it's saying to stay away from the token. That's why I think it's an article to get people to maybe dump their shibs so that the big bucks can come in and bottom feed. All right, that's my opinion. Because Shiba Inu has been good to me. And it has, they do a lot of, they say they're going to do something and they do something. Not financial advice. Anything can happen. This thing could go to like true blue zero. It could. I don't know what's going to happen, but I like Shiba Inu. All right, let's get back to what I was reading here. However, the most alarming problem is the propaganda surrounding burn projects. Okay, so there are 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in existence, and destroying a portion of that supply would increase the value of the remaining tokens. But there is a big problem with that investment thesis. It hinges on the idea that people will literally throw money away. And yes, some people do. They have some creative things to burn, ways to burn. And yeah, it may not be huge burns, but it does work. It does work slowly. Everybody is impatient when it comes to crypto. We want to get in, we want to make good money now, and then brag to everyone that we made money in crypto. Well, sorry folks, but that's a good way to lose money fast. It takes time. Good projects are going to take time to come out and develop, time to evolve and grow into something, branch out into different areas like Shiba Inu did. I mean, the layer 2, I think, is going to be huge. I think so. I hope so, because I do hold some Shiba Inu, and yeah, I've seen that thing go up. I've seen Shiba Inu go up crazy, and the numbers, if you go up really quick too, and getting in a trade at the right time and getting out of the trade at the right time, that's how you make the money. And patience. I said this in about 5 different videos now. The patient trader will take the money away from the impatient trader. So I see a lot of this as intellectual FUD. People who want to spread FUD and hope that we panic sell out. And then the big guys come in and scoop it up. Because we don't know who has their eye on Shiba Inu. It could be a hedge fund. It could be something who wants to have a substantial amount of Shiba Inu to wrap into their ETF along with other cryptos. They're out there. They're out there, folks. Wall Street likes Bitcoin. Wall Street likes a lot of things. And I think, I have no proof of this, but I just suspect that one day there will be more ETFs with Shiba Inu in it. I'm hoping for that day. I really am. Because there's a lot of Wall Street people who want to trade crypto or be exposed to it without actually owning the crypto themselves. And this way they can make a bet on its directional, just straight up directional trading. And that's where I think this could be going. And yeah, so anyway, for those reasons, I think investors should avoid this cryptocurrency altogether. Okay, nicely said. I find it more pro Shiba Inu than against. But yeah, there's a lot of Shiba Inu out there. And like I said, you're going to need a lot if you want it to be a cryptocurrency, if you want it to change hands and not worry so much about everything. And that's what I think is going to go on with Shiba Inu, along with a lot of, and their game could be smoking hot. I don't know, but it's Shiba Inu. They're trying hard. They're doing a lot, and I'm pretty confident with it. So like I said, this story is about a bull market coming, one crypto to buy now, one to avoid. So they're crypto to buy now, obviously Bitcoin. But we say that all the time. Bitcoin is king. It's true. It's true. But will Bitcoin 100x while I'm alive? Doubt it. Could Shiba Inu 100x? Maybe. 10x? Easier to 10x Shiba Inu, I think, than Bitcoin. Not financial advice. I can't predict the future. I don't have a crystal ball. I'd like to have one sitting right here. Kind of funny. But yeah. So yeah, it's saying, Bitcoin. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin. But a lot of us want to play with smaller amounts of money and see a 10x, So we'll see what happens. Good old Shiba Inu. I like this article. I find it more positive towards Shiba Inu than negative, which I don't think was the author's intention. But like I said, it's the Globe and Mail. So the article is, professionally done. And yeah, all right, I'll put a link to it in the description, just something to think about. So yeah, that's my conspiracy theory. I think it's it's a very classy way of spreading a little bit of FUD to get the price down, and then have the Bay Street types go in and buy it, I guess. The Wall Street types, I don't know. But yeah, so subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of Shiba Inu videos, and if this market does turn around, I will have more and more Shiba Inu, because you can bet people will start aping into it. It's on a lot of different exchanges and platforms, and it's anybody who downloads respectable crypto trading app in Canada, United States, wherever, a lot of times Shiba Inu is one of the tokens on there, and they never have like everything. Like, it's not like it's Uniswap. They have like a handful of tokens, and a lot of times it's Shiba Inu. So anybody who's new to the crypto world, and there's always new people coming in, and they're going to try to get onto something easy to trade on, like Wealth Simple or I don't know, whatever, Coinbase, and what they're going to trade what they see. And if they want to go on the El Cheapo side, the sub penny stuff, and it's attractive. Things that are under a penny are attractive to a lot of people. It's just neat. You put $100 in, you get tons of tokens. It's exciting. And if it does make a move, it could swing up, suddenly turn into $400. Yeah. And yeah, so I have a lot of confidence in both of these. But in terms of which one I think could flip the money over more times, I think it would be Shiba Inu, because its price point is so low. True, there's a lot of it out there. The supply, there's a lot, but there's a lot of people interested in it too, and it's easy to buy. So it's getting more and more popular. Okay, I rattled on enough. I was going to cut this off a couple minutes ago, and I don't know where I went with this. So, all right, it's boiling hot here, and I think I'm going to have to turn my fans back on because I had to shut them off in order to do this recording. Otherwise, you'd hear it in the background. But yeah, so could you please subscribe to my channel? And can we try to get like 25 likes on this video today? I'd appreciate it. It helps with the algorithm. Hit the bell. You'll know when my next video comes out. And I will thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.